All right, guys. Time for sweet endings. Brought to you by the folks at Regal Products, and we in Christmas mode. As I told you, the bomb months are here: October, November, December. Sweet endings, and I have a lady that her name is Susie. Her friends call her Susie, so I could now call her Susie. She's responsible for the brand Sweet Sauce. But when I think of sweet sauce, I think in doubles. So I'm not thinking desserts, I'm thinking doubles. But Susie is here, and Susie's going to clear it up for us. Susie, welcome.
Hi.
Susie, when I think of sweet sauce, I think in slight pepper and a little bit of sweet sauce. Where you came up with the name?
It was a friend actually
who
gave the name to me. You know, I can't really explain it on air.
Is that serious? Yeah.
But it was a friend, yes.
So it have a little story behind it?
It have a little story, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Right.
But the name stuck there, and here I am, Sweet Sauce Catering.
How long are you doing this?
Around 15 years now.
15 years. So it's more than just sweet stuff you do?
It is, yes. We do catering, all types of food, all types of desserts, cakes, you name it.
But you have a little sweet tooth, so
Yes, I enjoy doing these cakes.
Yeah.
And I enjoy doing these desserts. I have a knack for it.
Yeah.
So I really, like doing this.
Yeah. So how long you always did this catering, or how did it start?
Actually, no. It started off as me vending events, cricket, a lot of cricket. We did stuff at the Oval, at the stadiums, at cricket board itself.
Right.
We did stuff there. I started off there
as a vendor?
Yes, under a very small tent.
Right.
Yes.
And then it mushroomed into doing...
I built from there.
Lovely. And how many years later you said?
Around 15 years.
15 years later, sweet sauce, sweeter than ever before. So plenty cakes in the place. Before you tell me what's this in front of me here?
So this is a Trini fruit cake.
Black cake.
Yes, black cake with a little orange zest, a little iced to the top.
And that fanciness occurs there.
This is one of my specialty signature chocolate cake with a Christmas design.
That's Christmas trees.
Yes.
Yeah, in Christmas mode.
Yes,
Middle?
and this is what we are going to make today. This is our Christmas iced lemon loaf. We're going to start with our sugar. We have 1.5 cups here. We're going to start with some butter. We have about 1 cup here. And we're going to mix that up until it's creamy and nice. We're going to get our flour and dry ingredients together. So we have the flour. We have some salt here. And we're going to use some of our Regal baking powder. So just go in with 1 teaspoon and a half. Right. So we're just gonna
mixing the dry ingredients together.
Yes. And we have a little lemon zest here to give our cake a little nice tropical lemony flavor. Then we have our 2 eggs. So we're gonna pour it in one at a time and mix that up. Wait for it to come together. So we're gonna put in some of this lemon extract in here.
That really is the lemon flavor.
Yes, to give it that nice lemony flavor. So now we're just gonna add our flour. So I'll add like some spoons at a time for it to mix and incorporate it. And we're gonna alternate with some milk. We have like 1 cup of milk here. We're just gonna scrape our sides a little bit so everything can get in. Okay, so there. So our batter has come together. So we have our 9x5 pan here, and it's buttered so that the cake won't stick, the loaf won't stick to the pan. we have a prepared loaf here.
Susie, but Papa Laps, you're easier too.
Yeah.
You were prepared.
We are going to dress this one up with our Christmas icing.
Right.
So we have our Regal icing sugar.
Right.
We're gonna use about 1 cup of that. Just about 1 cup. There.
That Regal icing sugar is fine, nicely.
Yes, super fine. Some lemon extract to get that nice lemon flavor in the icing as well. Then we have some milk. We're gonna put the milk in. And we're gonna give that a nice mix and bring that together. Okay.
Amazing how that just comes together so quickly
Yes,
when you use
quickly.
that Regal icing sugar.
Yes.
Wow.
So we have that here ready, but I also have one that I bought.
What trouble is this?
Yes, that's
Right.
already pre.
So that's the same,
It's the same. So
Yeah.
we're just gonna use this to ice up our lemon loaf. So we're just gonna pour that over.
And it just runs down nicely.
Nice and yes. Yes. And here we have it, our nice Christmas lemon loaf. So I have some little sugar snow here. Then we have some nice little Christmas colors.
Yeah.
In our sprinkles. We have some little snowflakes here that I pre-made. And that's it.
And that's it. That's
We
it.
have our Christmas lemon loaf.
Susie, you know what's left to be done?
Yes.
I need a slice.
For sure.
Susie, let me just take a little bit of icing.
How is it?
So I love the little hints of lemon.
Yes.
I always say that. So when you put it in with the Regal icing sugar,
Yes.
so actually you get it in the icing as well as that nice little layer of lemon
Yes.
in the cake as well. Beautiful, beautiful. Susie, thank you very much for dropping by, my dear.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas. You could come back tomorrow
Yes.
and bring some more cake for us. Because
No problem. Anytime.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Guys,
Thanks
check
for
out
having me.
Sweet Sauce. That's her brand. Check out on social media, Instagram, you're on Facebook as well.
Yes.
Full catering, and of course, all these wonderful desserts. Sweet endings brought to you by the folks at Regal Products. We want to thank them for making it possible. And we are putting a wrap on it. Remember to join us here every week when we share a cup with you and share some wonderful recipe ideas.